We have prepared our officials, we have trained them to stick to principle while conducting these elections. We believe that they have heard the message clearly. So we believe that it's going to be as free and as fair as it can be. So we wish to inform the general public that let them allow us to do our job because we are here to do that.
No, excuse me. Who has invited you here? We've come to cover the function.
We are coming from their side. Even you have even the wing. Don't be driven into commission of crime.
It is dense. Massive deployment. You may not have seen them here, but we know where they are. So we have warned them that we are not taking all this lightly. We are not going to allow our people to continue to be intimidated.
Our duty to protect everyone to cast their vote. And we have enough forces on the ground across board that are going. We have intelligence, so that they'll be giving us information. For those who want to cause chaos, choose something else, not here.
At each polling station at 7 a.m. in the morning and then end at 4 p.m. in the evening. But at 4 p.m.